Hi, my name is Balachandra Pichai. I'm an event manager by passion and profession, and also a proud BNI member. So today I'm going to talk about why BNI membership is actually a free, is completely free. Yes, BNI membership is free. Yes. So I'm going to demonstrate how you can, how I arrive at this conclusion that BNI membership is free. So before I begin, I just wanted to introduce myself first. So I am a CEO of event planning company called Helios Event. I'm successfully running it for last 10 years. I'm a BNI diehard fan, and I've been a BNI member for almost 5+ years. And I'm also serving as a sub-board director in BNI for 4+ years. I've earned close to 2+ crores, approximately around 2 crores through BNI referrals in last 5 years. Okay, that's about me. Now, for those of you who don't know what BNI is the world's leading referral organizations for small and medium business owners. Worldwide, they have close to around as on date, I think they have close to around 2.7 lakhs members worldwide, and worldwide they have close to around 9,500 chapters. And as per the last data in April 2020, the members exchanged close to around $1 billion $1 billion among themselves. That is the kind of business generated among the members. Okay, that's about BNI, and I'm going to tell you now, why BNI. Well, BNI, as I said, is the world's best structured way of referring business among the members. Yeah, and this is primarily for small and medium business enterprises. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate. Pay attention to it. There's some numbers here, so pay attention to it. So yeah. So let's assume that you have a company. As I said, it's basically for small and medium business enterprises. So let's start as a very small business owner who has a turnover of say 1 crore, and your gross profit is around 15%. Generally it's more, but then let's assume that it's only 15%. I'm taking all the conservative figures here. Okay, let's assume that your net profit is only 3 lakhs. That is 3% of the turnover. So if your gross profit is 15 lakhs, that means direct expenses, that is like your business expenses, purchases and all that, is around 85 lakhs. And you will also have indirect expenses like your salary, overheads and all that, which constitute generally on an average around 55 to 60%. Some businesses like 70% also. So I'm taking on an average around 55 to 60%, which is roughly around 9 lakhs. So so indirect expenses, which are typically like your office stationery, day-to-day purchases for running a business, marketing expenses, some insurance, travel, transport, and things like that. Which are variable purchases. Yeah. Now these fixed purchases and all that, you get fixed components and all that, you generally cannot buy from an BNI member. But variable purchases and all that, you can definitely outsource or buy from your BNI member. You might be definitely purchasing from outside, but you can also use BNI members' services for this. Okay, so far so good. Now we are going to the real action now. Okay. Now, on an average, since BNI members are known to each other, the cost per the services which BNI member give to each other. I'm talking about the self-referral. Between the members. So when you exchange, when you buy from BNI member, on an average, you save around 5 to 10% than the market price. So I'm taking a conservative figure of say 5%. So if the market price is 100 rupees outside, so you will get it at say around 95 rupees. Yeah. So on an average, you're talking about 1 lakh. If you do a 1 lakh of purchase for your business, you save 5,000 rupees if you buy from BNI vendors. Yeah. So now BNI cost of membership is approximately around 30 to 35k per annum in India. So let's see how we can save that money, by using services of a BNI member. Okay. So the direct expenses, as I said, you will be you're spending close to around 85 lakhs in your direct expenses, that is business expenses. So assuming that you don't directly, the entire business expense you're not buying from BNI vendors. So assume only 10% you're buying from BNI vendors, through BNI vendors, which is approximately around 8 lakhs. So 8 lakhs, and you save 5,000 rupees on 8 lakhs, which is around 40,000 rupees. Okay. For your indirect expenses, like your day-to-day purchases for your running your business, like your office stationery, visiting cards, printing, transport, approximately assume that you're going to be only buying 70%, not even 100%. I'm saying only 70% you're buying through BNI members, which is like out of 3 lakhs, you're like talking about some 2 lakhs of purchases which you're doing through BNI members. So there again you save around close to around 10,000 rupees. Now this net profit, assuming that whatever the net profit is, that's what which is your money, which you're taking home, right? So assuming that, since that's your personal expenses, again, see, even for my business expenses by through BNI members, I also do a lot of purchases for my family, like my household expenses and all that I do through BNI members. So assuming that only 30% of your net profit which you're taking home, you're only spending 30% of that on buying through BNI members. So which is approximately lakh. So even there you save close to around 5,000 in the area, which is very, very low. All these numbers are very, very conservative numbers. So total savings which you're going to be doing over the period of 1 year is 55,000 rupees, which is very, very conservative number I'm talking about. Okay. And what is the cost of membership? It's like 35k. So you already made a close to around 20,000 rupees here. So it is not an expense, it's not even an expense, it's like a return of investment, right? So you buy a BNI membership and you come and join a BNI membership, you actually get a return of investment. This is very, very conservative number. This is for a 1 crore company. Assuming I have a 5 crore company, I run a 5 crore company. So you can imagine the kind of money I would save if I start buying, when I buy from BNI vendors, right? Now, this is about the tangible costs which you're going to be saving. Now let's look at what are the other priceless benefits which you get out of buying from BNI members. Okay, one, all the services BNI presently in our region, we have close to around 600 members, 600 plus members. I think like 700 members right now. Okay. BNI globally is connected through a WhatsApp, through an online portal which is called BNI Connect. Other than that, we also have a lot of this industry WhatsApp groups. Like for example, we have event management WhatsApp group across India. All the BNI members are participate. So you have close to around, as I say, 9,500 members globally. Okay, so you have almost all the services which you're looking for in India, in your state, in your city, to international countries. Globally, they are available under all the services are available under one roof. Plus, since you're a BNI member, anywhere when you go outside, I keep traveling. Being an event manager, definitely we have a lot of travel. So when I go to other BNI members from other regions or other event managers, I get a personalized service and attention. There is a background of relatedness, and then definitely, he's also a member, I'm also a member. So there's a lot of personalized service and attention which is given. As I said, it's a global connect opportunity. So, your business is not only, you can expand your business. I'm only talking about sourcing your vendors here. Okay. Definitely, you don't join BNI to source vendors. You join BNI to grow your business. So you can actually grow your business globally through, BNI Connect, which is, and they're all like-minded business network. It is all like-minded. I went to Australia, Sydney, where I attended a BNI chapter meet. People were selflessly talking about their business and talking about giving business to me back in India. So that's what is the power of BNI. And of course, there is a respect, there's a friendship, and there are like a lot of service. Extra mile services are given extra mile. I mean, when you're a BNI vendor, I mean, the services are always offered at a better. Of course, I mean, you go an extra mile to serve your BNI member, right? And also, it's a great knowledge sharing platform. You can learn a lot of businesses. I mean, there are a lot of, what I call businesses available. And so you try to learn from other businesses. I mean, when I was an event manager without being a BNI member, the only industry I can learn from is my own industry, right? Plus a couple of other industries, the client industry. But as a businessman, when I became a BNI member, as a businessman, I started learning from other businesses. Like I started learning from website companies. I started learning from engineering company. I started learning from architects. I started learning from a lot of other cross business platforms. Now. That is about the priceless benefits. Let's talk about the real tangible bonuses here of joining BNI. Okay, one. Any day. I mean, if you get a referred business, it has a 70% higher success rate compared to a non-referred business. It's typically like if I want something, if my clients want something which I don't serve, and then if I refer my BNI fellow member, there is a success rate of 70%. Definitely, the credibility is definitely an important criteria. But then I don't refer my BNI member, BNI fellow member, if there's no credibility, right? So the credibility established, you have a 70% success rate. When you refer a client, that means if I get a client from my BNI fellow member, it's like it's a research shows like there's 37% higher retention. I mean, I get a long-term business from the same client. 37% of the time. Is a higher retention rate here. So I get a long-term business from the referred client. Also, the referred vendor. I mean, if I am referred by a fellow member to a particular client, there is a 70% higher trust rate. All these are researches. All these are proven facts. I'm not trying to build something here. So 70% higher trust rates there when there is a reference available. Plus, there is lot of training which are available in BNI, which are like given free to the members to in terms of presentation skills, in terms of how to do an effective short 30-second presentation, and plus of course networking opportunities and things like that. So there's a lot of learning platform available which is there in BNI. So at the end, I just wanted to say, now that you know that it's like BNI membership is actually free when you become a member. In fact, it's not even free. It's like it's a high return of investment. You invest 35,000 rupees and you get back 55,000 rupees in a year. Okay, so join today and make more money. So this is Balachandra Pichai. I'm an event manager by passion and profession, and I'm also a proud member of BNI. So hope to see you soon in BNI. Thank you very much.